Hiyashi Chuka is a must-know Japanese summer dish, and today I'm gonna show you how to make it. Alright, let's get cooking. When summer hits in Japan, there's one dish that always makes an appearance on local ramen restaurants and small shops: Hiyashi Chuka. This refreshing cold noodle salad actually came to Japan in the 1930s, inspired by Chinese cold noodle dishes. It was first introduced to Japanese restaurants as a creative way to serve ramen during the sweltering summer months. Over the decade, Hiyashi Chuka evolved into a beloved seasonal staple, walking to just about any ramen restaurant or family restaurant in Japan on a hot day and you'll see it there. Its popularity lies in its simple yet vibrant presentation. Chewy cold noodles topped with colorful ingredients like shredded egg, crisp cucumber, juicy tomato, all brought together with a sweet sour soy-based sauce that's perfectly refreshing on a hot day. One of the things I love about Hiyashi Chuka is how versatile it is. The toppings can change depending on what you have on hand or what's in season. My mom always used ham, so I'm gonna stick with ham out of nostalgia. But you can just as easily use chicken, shrimp, or tofu. It's the dish that adapts to your taste and what's in season. Growing up, Hiyashi Chuka was my absolute favorite summertime lunch. I can still picture my mom carefully arranging the toppings around the noodles like a little rainbow, making the dish feel extra special. The best part? She dropped the noodles in ice water after boiling, giving them a chewy bite that made every slurp so satisfying. We'd sit around the table, sharing this meal and laughing together. Even now, every bite of Hiyashi Chuka brings me back to that exact moment, to the taste of summer in Japan, and to the simple joy of a meal that brings people together. If you've never tried it before, I hope you give it a shot. Check out the recipe in the description below or the full recipe on my Substack. では、いただきます。さっぱりしてて美味しい。いや、ですね。10 out of 10. ごちそうさまでした。Bring a little Japanese summer to your house this year. Thanks for watching. It helps a lot if you can like, share, or subscribe. Thank you. ありがとうございます。